Hi, welcome to Pine Hollow's 10-minute field trips. My name is Anita Sanchez, and we're going to be taking some field trips to some places you might not expect. So come on and explore. On today's field trip, we're going to take a look at colors. All different colors. Let's take a look at some of the most colorful things in the world. Flowers. I think the thing that everybody likes about flowers is their colors. Those beautiful colors. But flowers have colors for a reason. Some flowers are really, really big and bright and colorful. And plant scientists called horticulturists have developed special varieties of plants that are just really big and bright and beautiful because people like them, just because we love those beautiful colors. These peonies are just beautiful, and look how big they are. If I were to ask you what color the leaves are on a tree, you'd probably say green. But at Pine Hollow, there's a tree where the leaves are a different color. I think this is my favorite tree at Pine Hollow. I call it the pink tree. And it's been designed by horticulturists to have pink leaves just because they're beautiful, they're fun to look at. It's called a tricolor beech because it has three colors: white, pink, and green. But not all flowers are big and bright and colorful. Some are very small. There are a lot of these little flowers, so I've picked just one so we can look at it up close. This little flower grows in the lawn. It's called ground ivy. And it's got these beautiful bright purple flowers, which are the way that the flower attracts pollinators, which are insects that come to it. The insects like to drink the sweet nectar that the flower grows, and then they carry pollen from flower to flower, and that's good for the plant because it helps the plant grow seeds. So the flowers are trying to be seen not by people, but by insects that are pollinating them. And that's why these wildflowers are such beautiful bright colors. Some plants don't have bright colors. They're white, but at night, white stands out against the darkness so that pollinators like moths can find white flowers during the darkness. Now, not all creatures can see color. Dogs use their noses to get a lot of information about the world, and they use their eyes too, but dogs don't see color. They mostly see the world in black and white, or maybe some very faint colors. But some animals, like birds, most birds and insects and people, can see colors. So to a dog or a deer, this might look like just a bunch of grayish color, but to a bee, for instance, or a butterfly or a hummingbird that was trying to find some nectar, they would see these bright colors, not just the same way we do. Their eyes are a little bit different than ours, but they can see the colors standing out from the green background. One color you see a lot of outdoors is green. Leaves, grass, leaves on the trees. Lots of green in nature. The green in plants is caused by a chemical called chlorophyll. It's the chemical that helps the leaves do a process called photosynthesis, by which they use sun and air and water to make food for the plant. So the chlorophyll is part of that chemical process. You can see the chlorophyll that's in plants if you take a leaf and rub it on a piece of paper. Rub it really hard and the leaf becomes almost like a crayon. It makes a green line, and that green is chlorophyll. So you know what the colors of the rainbow are, right? Red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple. So let's see if we can find all the colors of the rainbow. Here's a lot of red. All different shades of red and pink. Here's a pink and white magnolia. Orange is kind of a hard color to find. Cool, look, there's a daddy longlegs hiding in the orange flower. Look at all those long legs. Yellow buttercups. These little blue flowers are called forget-me-nots. So if you're looking for something to do outdoors, take your favorite crayon, your favorite color, take it outdoors and see if you can find anything that's the same color as the crayon. Maybe the sky is just that shade of blue. Or maybe you can find a leaf that's just that shade of green. Or maybe you can find a flower that's beautiful shade of yellow. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.